Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on sending stickers on WhatsApp. Open up WhatsApp and go into a conversation with the person you want to send stickers to. Tap on the smiley face button. Now click on the stickers button. It's the icon next to the gifs at the bottom. You can browse through some of the default stickers, but there are not that many. To add more, tap on the plus icon to the right of the stickers. You can now download different styles of stickers. Tap on the arrow icon beside each set to download them. Tap on My Stickers to see the stickers already downloaded. You can reorder them here to choose which ones are displayed first when selecting them in the chat. You can also tap on Get More Stickers down at the bottom here and it will open up the App Store where you can download sticker apps to get more stickers. It is also possible to create stickers using your own images. We made a separate tutorial showing you how to do that. Check the video description for a link to that tutorial. That draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.